the ugly emotion. Hello, this is One Shot to the Future. Who do you hate right now? Who is that one person on Instagram whose success makes your stomach turn? You tell yourself, I don't care about money. He is just a show-off. Stop lying. You are jealous. But here is the twist. Jealousy is not a sin. It is the most honest signal your soul can send. Envy is a compass. Points exactly to where you want to go. You don't envy what you can't be. Think about it. Do you envy a famous ballerina? Probably not. Do you envy the Queen of England? No. You only envy people who have something you believe you could have. Envy is your potential screaming at you. It says, hey, that car, that freedom, that recognition, that belongs to us. Why is he holding it? If you didn't have the potential to achieve it, your brain wouldn't waste energy feeling envy. The fact that you are jealous proves that it is possible for you. Don't hate, study. Most people waste this energy on hate. He is a scammer. He got lucky. This is a defense mechanism to protect your ego. But hating the winner makes you a loser. Flip the script. Don't throw stones at the person you envy. Study them. They are your future trailer. Ask, how did he get there? What did he sacrifice? Turn your jealousy into curiosity. The person you envy is holding the map to your treasure. Your shadow is showing. Carl Jung said, everything that irritates us about others can lead to an understanding of ourselves. If someone's confidence annoys you, it's because you suppressed your own confidence. If someone's wealth annoys you, it's because you suppressed your own desire for wealth. Stop suppressing. Admit it. Yes, I want that. The moment you admit it, the negative energy turns into drive. Look at that person again. Don't say, I hate you. Say, thank you for showing me what I want, and then go get it. In the next video, we will talk about why you become the average of your friends, mirror neurons, and environment. Thank you. This was One Shot to the Future.